Shakas! Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm just really here quickly to show you some packet things that I made to cover some instant mug cakes and desserts type of things. And this is the paper pad I used. It's from Hot Buy last year, I think, at Michael's. I don't think it was this year. It's by Recollections. And you can see some of the samplings that they put on the cover of the paper pad. And it's these kind of packs that I made the covers for. I bought several different flavors, which it looks like this in the store, and it comes in a 4-pack. And what they do right now is just slide in the side, and I'm going to either tie yarn, or that's the back, yarn or twine around the top, maybe hang a tag, I'm not sure yet, but I might just do it like this. But anyway, this is my quick little share. I'll go through the ones that I made real quickly here. And I just used a cut apart from the paper pad and the scrap papers I cut down to make the packets. And like I said, they just fit right nicely in there. The other one stood up. Oh, wait. Well, nope. Guess it's not, but sweet but twisted. I like that one. And see, just gonna stick it right there on the side. Here's another one. There's another one. Here's one. And there's another one. So real quick, inexpensive gift for, you know, neighbors, co-workers. I might add a spoon. I hate to give mugs. Like, everybody gives coffee cups, and they're so excessive. Like, you know, to open up a cupboard and have 50 mugs. But anyway, so I might just tie a spoon to it. I'm not really sure, but for the most part, I could give it like this. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. I appreciate you guys joining me here today on my channel. I appreciate all my new subscribers, and I hope you're having a happy holidays, and stay crafty. Till the next video. Shakas!